In today's video, we are going to cover how to hold multiple currencies in Wise. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at the home page, which is where you can see the main account overview and access options for balances, transfers, and other account activity. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the dashboard is fully visible before moving on. From the home page, look to the top right corner and click Open Plus. This is the menu used to add something new to your account. After you click it, a set of options will appear. From those options, select Balance. This tells Wise that you want to open a balance for another currency inside your account rather than starting a transfer or using a different feature. Next, choose the currency you want to add. You will see a list of available currencies and you can select the one you want to hold in your Wise account. Make sure you pick the correct currency before continuing, especially if you plan to receive funds in that balance or convert money into it later. Once the currency is selected, click Open Balance. Wise will then add that currency balance to your account. After it is created, that balance becomes part of your account and can be managed alongside your other balances from the same home page. If you want to hold more than one currency, repeat the same process for each additional one. Go back to the home page, click Open Plus again, select Balance, choose another currency, and then click Open Balance. You can continue this as many times as needed for the currencies you want to keep available in Wise. When you are done adding balances, return to the home page to view them all together. Each currency balance you opened will appear in your account overview, so you can check what is available in each one from a single place. This is also where you can confirm that each balance was added successfully. Once the balances are in place, you can use them whenever needed. You can add money to a balance, receive money into an available balance, or convert funds between the currencies you already hold in your account. Those actions remain available at any time from within Wise using the balances you have opened. Thanks for watching. Your Wise account now shows all the currency balances you chose to open and hold.